Yeah, it will still continue because it's an annual subscription. The $50 is already good for 1 year. Annual subscription. Pero tayo lang nakakaisip nung kasi sila.
Hindi na, no? Hindi na tuwid sa akin.
Hi, Karen.
Dito sa Pinoy, after 30 days, ay, cancel.
Karen.
Kukunin lahat ng benefits, tapos cancel.
Video to.
Hello. Lipat ang address. Lipat ang correct. Sila, they don't want it. Tapos, pwede nyo, kasi minsan, they don't want because they don't want the fact that they have to cancel. Tawag ka lang naman, it's unlike, pwede mo pang sabihin na it's unlike those free trial ng mga products, ng mga tangible products, which is, ikaw pa yung mag-galing shipping charges or whatever. Ano ba eh? Shipping charges, wala namang ganun, tatawag pa lang.